It's hot today. It's 95 Fahrenheit. Like this trails, history. So quiet here. There's mosquito everywhere here. I just stopped to drink water. They attack me. They are hungry. They need blood. I'm not sure if you can hear the birds. So cool. This place is quiet. Escape here. Which is not good. They're gonna get flat tire. But it's fun.
Howdy up, Howdy.
There's an owl there. I don't know, somewhere up tree. We camped last year here, me and my friend. We stayed 2 nights. It was fun. It was heavy rain and cold. We're going down. What? Keep going. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Going up! Oh, I like it. What's she doing here? Yeah. Fire in the hole. What you got?
I don't know what this is. It's weird. So should I release it?
Release it or keep it as a bait?
Keep it,
What's
keep it. Come put it. Let's use that bait. Huh?
Massive.
Come on, there's massive fish here. We wanted to switch it to the
Are you gonna use it as a bait here? These?
Yeah. Oh my god, that thing's massive.
Let's see if the charcoal's ready. Yeah, I think it's ready. Yeah, I see the fire is there. Okay, let's put it there. Okay, get the get the meat ready. Just cut up more pieces. They're ready. Yeah, this one's ready. That's one kind of. Ooh. Get this one here, put this one in the middle. This one. Avocados here. Look, guys. And this one should be ready. Put some salt. More salt. Stop salting. Look, this one is cooked. It's well done. Like that one. This one kept crispy. Let's make that one. This one should be ready. Let me get that one. Oh, it's hot. Ash. Oh my god, this is hot. Just like that. I'm hungry. Let's eat it, test it. It's good. I like it. I'm gonna call the kid. Guys, food is ready. All right, guys, so we did the fishing today, biking, and we cooked the barbecue. All right, guys, so if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Enjoy it. See you next time.